Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shantala D. Patil, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Adant. Our college is affiliated to Kulba University, Kalburgi. Today we are going to discuss on the introduction to frames of references. So after this discussion, you should be able to explain the concept of the frames of reference, and also you should be able to understand the relationship between the moving observer and the phenomenon under observation. So let me give the brief introduction of the frames of reference. In this topic, we will discuss the idea of frames of reference and learn if the laws of physics remain unchanged when we change the frame of our reference while studying or observing certain phenomena. Albert Einstein famously said that imagination is more important than knowledge, and you will need your imagination to understand this topic better. We will also be studying about the inertial frames and non-inertial reference frames and how they are different from each other. You will need to imagine things like a person running on a parallel road and moving train. When you relate the concept to the real world entities, it is better to understand and last forever. The motion of the object around us, like car, rockets, and the plane, can be understood through this concept. Relative motion, or the motion of the objects with respect to each other, is also described in this concept. To analyze the motion of the body, first we need to find the location of that body at a certain instant of time. To do this, we have the coordinate system. What is coordinate system then? The coordinate system is a method of analyzing or the observing the position of the body or the location of the body on the earth. A frame of reference is a set of reference points which is used to determine the position or the velocity under the certain frame. There are examples for the frames of reference, that is interior of the house, aeroplane, car, etc. There are two types of frames of reference, that is inertial frame of reference and the non-inertial frame of reference. The first one is inertial frame of reference. When we stand on the ground, that is our frame of reference. Anything that you observe, view or measure will be compared to this frame of reference. Point on the ground. If you are standing on the back of the moving truck, the truck is now in your frame of reference and everything will be measured compared to it. So, inertial frame of reference has a constant velocity. It is moving at constant speed in a straight line or standing still. In the inertial frame of reference, Newton's laws of motions are hold good. That is, here body does not change due to external forces. All inertial frames of reference are equivalent for the measurement of a physical phenomenon. And another type of frames of reference is non-inertial frames of reference. Here, when a body does not acted upon by any external force, that is, it is accelerated. If in a non-inertial frame of reference, Newton's laws of motions are not valid. It also does not have a constant velocity and it is accelerating. There are several ways to imagine this motion again. There are certain examples of inertial frame of reference, that is our Earth, a space shuttle moving with constant velocity relative to Earth, and a rocket moving with constant velocity related to Earth. And the examples for non-inertial frame of reference. The frame could be traveling in a straight line but be speeding up or slowing down. The frame could be traveling along a curved path at a speedy at a steady speed. The frame could be traveling along a curved path and also speeding up or slowing down. And to summarize, here a frame of reference is nothing but a set of coordinates that can be used to determine the position and the velocity of the object in that frame. So for this we are going to use the coordinate system, and the coordinate system is the method of identifying the location of the object on the earth. There are two types of frames of reference. One is inertial frame of reference and another one is non-inertial frame of reference. In the inertial frame of reference, the body remains at rest or moves with a constant velocity with respect to the other frames, and also here the Newton's laws of motions are hold good. And in the other frame of reference, that is the non-inertial frame of reference, the body not acted upon by any external forces, that is it is accelerated, and here the Newton's laws of motions are not hold good. There are many MCQs given, so you should practice these MCQs. These are very basic MCQs. You can do it. Thank you.